Hello and welcome to the garden. If you're new here, my name is Zandi and welcome to the Nature Secret Vault. Winter might look like a dead season for gardening, but it's a perfect season for you to work on attracting one of your garden's best kept secrets: beneficial insects. These are the insects that help your plants to thrive. If you're looking for simple ways to help your winter garden flourish and to prepare for upcoming summer seasons, this is the video for you. If you love gardening as much as I do, tap that like button as the intro plays and let's get into this bug's life. So, you might ask yourself and say, beneficial bugs in winter? Isn't that more of a summer thing? Actually, beneficial insects are important all year round. In summer, they pollinate, they break down the compost, and they eat pests. In winter, many are hidden away because of nesting, laying eggs, and overwintering, but not all of them sleep. Some bugs like ground beetles and spiders, they stay active all year round. So when you create a safe space for them now, you are building stronger defense system for your garden later. Think of it like this. You are not just protecting the bugs, you're protecting your future harvest. Another thing you can do is to plant winter bloomers. Believe it or not, there are some beautiful flowers that actually grow and thrive in the cold. These are flowers like your calendula, your alyssum flowers, and your winter honeysuckle. These are the type of flowers that feed the bees that are still foraging around this time. And these plants, they give these pollinators something to eat during the winter time so that they don't leave your garden altogether. Let me show you two of these flowers that I'm growing. This winter, I'm growing some calendula. These are the seedlings. They are already growing. These ones are the calendula seedlings. This is just an extra marigold because, hey, my garden always has marigold. So I'm looking forward to seeing calendula blooms this season. Another way to get ready for those winter pests is to grow sacrificial plants. In my summer gardening, I grew a lot of trap crops and it worked perfectly for me. In winter, you can use plants like mustard, nasturtiums, and sunflowers. These attract aphids and whiteflies, drawing them away from your precious veggies. And here's the thing. Aphids don't hibernate. They stay active in mild winters. They're hiding under the leaves. So growing a trap plant gives these hungry aphids somewhere else to go besides your precious vegetables. And guess who follows them? Ladybugs, hoverflies, and parasitic wasps. Once your trap crop is loaded, simply remove it or compost it and your pest problems are gone. This season for my trap crops, I'm going to be growing nasturtiums. As you can see, the seedlings have actually grown quite big. So they are ready for the garden. Nice, ne? Another way that you can help out these insects is not to completely remove everything from your garden. The hollow stems from your sunflowers and your raspberries, these create very nice little natural insect hotels. Yep, you heard me. Ladybugs and lacewings and solitary bees love these little spots. And all of that leaf litter, it's not a mess. It's a blanket for overwintering your beetles and your spiders. Trust me, you will need these spiders when those winter pests come in. If you don't want to let nature create some insect hotels for you, well, you can do them yourself. If you want to invite helpful bugs over, you need to build them a cozy hotel. You can use bamboo, twigs, or drilled logs, even pine cones. Insect hotels, they give shelter for mason bees, lacewings, and more. And they'll pay rent by helping your plants later. Just like in summer, in winter, don't leave your soil bare. Add mulch or ground cover because mulch is not only for moisture, it keeps the soil warm and it gives the bugs that live underground a nice place to live. Think your beetles, your ants, and even your earthworms. By adding clover or creeping thyme as winter ground cover, it helps to protect the soil and bring in predatory insects too. A good host always offers water. Even in winter, bugs do get thirsty. So, leave out a shallow dish with some petals so that they don't drown, and in it, just add a small bit of water. This is a small act with big benefits. Growing a garden can be stressful, especially when there's ants. But I'm here to tell you, you need to avoid using pesticides at all costs. Avoid spraying in winter. Even those natural sprays can harm some beneficial bugs that are hiding in your garden. Let nature balance itself out when possible. The fewer chemicals, the more life in your garden. All of these tips that I've given you today, trust me, they will add up in the end. You're not just waiting for spring, instead, you're actively preparing your army that will help you when that summertime comes. From mulching to bug hotels to planting those sacrificial plants, you're turning your garden into a balanced natural ecosystem. And when spring finally arrives, your plants will have powerful allies already in place, just waiting to eat up and finish all of those nasty pests when they come around. If you found any of these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and drop a comment below letting me know how are you preparing your garden for those beneficial insects in the winter time. Until next time, from me, I'm wishing you warmth, growth, and joy. Happy gardening to you as always. Think of it like this: safe bags now, great harvest tomorrow.